In our world where resources are finite and environmental concerns are growing, the concept of a circular economy offers a promising solution. Unlike the traditional linear economy, which follows a take, make, dispose model, the circular economy aims to keep products, materials, and resources in use for as long as possible through reuse, recycling, and regeneration. In this video, we will tell you about the circular economy hacks and how to turn waste into wealth. So make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's get started. Number 1. Reduce waste at the source. The first thing to do in the circular economy is to cut down on waste before it happens. Look for products with less packaging or packaging that you can recycle easily. Pick items that are made from recycled materials or ones that are built to last a long time. When you reduce how much packaging you use and choose good quality things, you're already stopping waste from happening in the first place. Number 2. Embrace reusable alternatives. Single-use items contribute significantly to waste. Instead of disposable products like plastic bags, utensils, and water bottles, opt for reusable alternatives. Invest in a good quality water bottle and coffee mug to carry with you. Use cloth bags for groceries, and choose stainless steel or bamboo utensils for meals on the go. These small changes reduce the amount of waste generated daily and save money in the long run. Number 3. Repurpose and upcycle. Repurposing and upcycling mean finding new uses for old things instead of throwing them out. You can get crafty with do-it-yourself projects, like using old jars for storing things, turning worn-out clothes into cleaning cloths or blankets, or making art with broken ceramics. Upcycling isn't just about reducing waste, it also adds a special touch to your stuff, making it one of a kind and meaningful to you. It's a fun way to be creative while helping the environment by making the most of what you already have. Number 4. Donate or sell unwanted items. One person's trash is another's treasure. Instead of discarding items you no longer need, consider donating them to charities, thrift stores, or online platforms. Many communities have local swap groups or garage sale pages where you can give away or sell items that are still in good condition but no longer serve you. By giving these items a second life, you contribute to the circular economy by extending the use of resources. Number 5. Practice responsible recycling. It's really important to recycle properly in the circular economy. Learn about the recycling rules where you live so you know what to do. Sort things like paper, cardboard, plastics, glass, and metals into separate bins, and make sure they're clean before you recycle them. This helps keep them from getting mixed up with other stuff and makes sure they can be used again to make new things. Number 6. Compost Organic Waste. A lot of what we throw away at home is food scraps, yard clippings, and other organic stuff. Instead of just tossing it in the trash, consider composting. Composting is a way to turn all that organic waste into super useful soil that's packed with nutrients. You can use this soil in your garden, which means you won't need to buy chemical fertilizer. Plus, when you compost, you're not only cutting down on waste, but also helping your plants grow better and stopping greenhouse gases from getting released into the air from landfills. Number 7. Support local repair shops. In today's culture, where we often throw things away instead of fixing them, repairing items has become less common. Yet, repairing goods is important because it makes them last longer and reduces waste. You can support local repair shops or learn basic repair skills yourself. Whether it's fixing electronics, furniture, clothing, or appliances instead of getting new ones, repairing not only saves money, but also helps the environment by keeping things in use for longer. Number 8. Choose products with circular design. When you're out shopping, keep an eye out for products that are made with circularity in mind. These are items that are either made from recycled materials, designed to be easily taken apart for recycling, or built to last a long time and be repaired when needed. More and more companies are offering products like these, and some even have programs where they take back old items or sell refurbished versions, which helps to make them last even longer and cuts down on how much waste is made. Number 9. Engage in the sharing economy. The sharing economy is all about sharing things and services instead of owning them alone. This helps cut down on waste because fewer things are made and thrown away. You can join car sharing programs, borrow tools from local libraries, join community gardens, or use co-working spaces. These ideas let you use what you need without having to own it all yourself. By sharing resources like this, we can use things better and make less waste overall. Number 10. Advocate for circular economy practices. Advocacy plays a crucial role in driving systemic change towards a circular economy. Support policies and initiatives that promote waste reduction, recycling, and sustainable production. Encourage businesses and governments to adopt circular economy principles by advocating for extended producer responsibility, product stewardship, and incentives for sustainable practices. Your voice can influence decision makers and contribute to a more sustainable future. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Green Life Guide to stay updated with the latest content. You can also send your queries on our Instagram page, Green Life Guide Official. Thanks for watching.